So in this video, I will show you how to send a video as document on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video to the end. You will not make any mistake. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to send him the video. So for me, let's say I want to send the video to, let's say, this person. So after you open up the person conversation, all you have to do, tap on this little arrow beside the camera. So after you tap on this, all you have to do, you can see different option, camera, gallery. All you have to do is tap on this document. So tap on this browse document. So from this browse document, all you have to do, just as you can see at the top, you will see image, audio, and video. So tap on this video. So as you can see from this section, now you can be able to see all the videos of your phone. All you have to do is go and select the video that you want to send as a document. So for me, let's say I want to send this video. So all I have to do, just tap on the video. So after you tap on the video, as you can see now sending a video as document, it will protect the quality of the video that you are sending. So tap on this send button. So as you can see now, I'm sending the video as a document to this person. That's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to say something in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.